Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use thread protectors with your flat beadwork. You'll need your piece to be ready for edging as well as all your regular supplies plus the protectors. These are what they look like. You can get them on Amazon or many beading stores. Thread your needle and knot one end, and we'll start by going between the backing and the felt and just going through our felt and pulling it tight. We're going to make a base for our thread protector using 2 beads. Now we're going to go through both layers just slightly to the right and pull your thread nice and tight. I do this to seamlessly integrate our edge work into our thread protector so everything looks cohesive and really nicely finished. Then go up through that second bead with your needle, pulling it nice and snug. Now grab your thread protector and you're going to put your needle up through one side. You'll see there's a hollow tube that you can put your needle through. I like to add 6 beads to integrate our thread protector in with our edge work. And then we will just go down through the other side of the thread protector. And then put your needle through the base bead. And now we can pull this nice and snug. You don't have to add beads if you don't want to, just having your thread alone also works nicely. And here's how it looks. To finish securing it, I'm going to put my needle through both layers, right where I did our first stitch. And our last step is to go up through our bead, but not our thread protector. So you see I'm just going to push it to the side and pull my needle just through the bead, nice and tight. And there it is, our fully secured thread protector, ready to attach a hook to. From here you can do your regular edge work and then you will have a beautiful finished piece. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more beading tutorials and check out my other videos. I recommend watching my edge tutorial video next. And let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Have fun beading and have a great day. Bye!